Hey guys, welcome to Long Naps. Today I'll be showing you how to fix apps not uninstalling on iPhone, and let's start right now. To fix app not uninstalling problem on your iPhone, first open up your settings on your iPhone like this. Your apps on your iPhone may not be uninstalling or may not be uninstalling because of one reason, I guess. Now to solve that reason, first open after you land on settings, you can see the screen time option available over here. Tap on screen time, then after tapping on screen time, scroll down a little bit and you can see there is the content and privacy restrictions. Tap over there, and over here you can see the iTunes and App Store processes. Tap on the iTunes and App Store processes like this, and over here you can see there is the deleting apps option available over here. Tap on deleting apps, and over here if your phone's currently selection is don't allow, then and because of this reason maybe your app are not uninstalling of your iPhone, and if you tap on allow you will be able to uninstall your apps from your iPhone again. With that being said, after you choose your option over here, try uninstalling your apps once again. Your apps uninstalling problem on your iPhone has been solved, or if not, then please comment on the comment box, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.